Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and listeners. How are you? And today I am going to discuss about my journey to English language. Once there was a time when I was not able to speak a single sentence of English, and I used to think at that time when there will be a time when I can speak English like natives, or I can speak English in a fluent and efficacious way. So now I feel that that time has reached now, and I can speak English by looking into a camera, and I can do it with efficacy and with proficiency and without any hesitation and with confidence. So, English is not a difficult language, it is a very simple language. But if you go with a proper planning and proper strategy, then you can speak English and learn English in a very effective way, and you can speak English very in a very fluent way. So, but the thing with which you should start is the consistency. The main thing is consistency. You should uh, do English, either it is writing, either it is listening, either it is reading, or either uh, it is speaking. So there are four module in English language. First is listening, reading, writing, and last one is speaking. So you do English, either one of the module of the English, but do it with consistency. So consistency is the main thing. Do a little, but do it on a daily basis, on a regular basis. Because if you don't do or don't do work on a daily basis, on a regular basis, then you cannot master it, or you cannot do it with effectively or with efficacy. So consistency is the key to success, okay, in any work. So do with consistency, and you uh, take either a newspaper or a magazine, or whatever source do you have in your hands right now. Start from very today, and first read about 4 to 5 pages a day, and try to read it with loudly, because when you read loudly, then there are two methods of indulging English into yourself. First is by your ears, and second is by your eyes. So there are two methods of intake of English. But if you read silently, then only one method of intake of English inside you, that is your eyes. So read loudly, then because when you read loudly, there are two benefits. First is your pronunciation will be improved, and secondly, you will be familiarized with the pronunciation of the English language, and you will be able to speak English very fast and in effective way. So that is the benefit of speaking or reading loudly. Okay. Second thing is speak English a little bit, whatever is your level right now. Try to speak in a silent room where no one disturbs you, and don't shy to yourself, because if you shy, then you cannot learn anything. So be don't be shy, and try to speak whatever is your level right now. And the other thing is, just write about 5 to 6 lines every day, whatever is your level right now in writing. So try to do all the four modules daily. First is listening, then second is reading, then third one is writing, and fourth one is speaking. If you do a little bit of each module every day, then you will see after a certain period of time, then things are getting improved. Then you will feel confident, and you will be able to write, read, listen, and speak English or any other language effectively and fluently. So that's all for today, and we will be meeting in the next video, in which I will tell you uh, about my journey in detail. Okay.